Hello everyone, I hope all doing well and fine. Today I am gonna say something about the Kazakhstan scholarship. How can we apply and how can we enter or how can we go and scholarship sites for applying. Here are some details. Scholarship details. The scholarship available approximately 540. Bachelor's degree, master's degree, PhD degree, medium of instruction. Funding includes applicant eligibility, bachelor's program, master's program, PhD program. Important dates, application period open, application deadlines, results and announcements, required documents for bachelor's degree, for master's and PhD degree. Application process apply in non-language exams requires for regular guide info out that Kazakhstan government scholarship application. You can watch the following review. Here are the links for the Kazakhstan scholarship information of the scholarship website. Here you can click and go and you can find your more information. You can read here. Right now I am clicking here and go for more information. Yeah, we are in the site of Kazakhstan scholarship. Here you can read all information and read them. The first, our title is scholarship program for 7 Kazakhstan universities. Here you can read all of them and apply for the Kazakhstan scholarship.